Hi, myself Ankita Haldar. I am from Bardwan. I am a student of Bardwan University, 5th Sem Nutrition Honours. Before starting my topic, I wanted to thank my respected teacher and my friends for helping and guiding me. I also too much glad for giving me a chance. Please don't skip the video and watch till end. I am trying my best. Let's start my today's topic. Health and wellness. First of all, we all know that health is wealth. We should maintain our health status properly. The WHO says health is not only absence of disease but also a complete physical, mental and social well-being. After maintaining our health status, we get wellness in our body. Wellness is more than being free from illness. It is a dynamic process of change and growth. For example, suppose my financial position is fall down, then I lost my financial wellness. Here are 6 main aspects of individual health: physical health, mental health, emotional health, social health, environmental health and spiritual health. Some basic concepts I shall provide you. Physical health. At first, exercise and walk are both greatly improve our health. Obviously, to eat healthy food items, avoid alcohol drink, don't skip meals, especially breakfast. It shows down metabolic rate that can cause weight gain. Mental health include our psychological and social well-beings. Emotional health to maintain a positive attitude when problem arise. Find someone that who we can trust and share our feelings. Smile can relieve us from emotional stress. Social health, know who our best friend in our friend circle and stay away from unhealthy relationship. We should balance our social life with our academic responsibility. Environmental health is the branch of public health. It is concerned with all aspects of natural and built environmental affecting human health. Spiritual health. Find a quiet place and spend time there every day. It appreciating the natural world around you. Now I am coming to types of wellness. Here are 8 dimensions of wellness: emotional wellness, intellectual wellness, physical wellness, social wellness, environmental wellness, financial wellness and spiritual wellness. Brief discussion about the types of wellness. Emotional wellness relate to understanding our feelings. It is important to pay attention to self-care, relaxation and stress reduction. Intellectual wellness involve having an open mind and new ideas and gathered our knowledge. Physical wellness encourages us to care for our bodies through physical activity, proper nutrition and strong mind. Social wellness helps our perform social roles effectively and comfortably and create a support network. Environmental wellness inspires us to lead a lifestyle that is respectful of our surroundings. Financial wellness involves the process of learning how to successfully manage financial wellness. Spiritual wellness. Spirituality can be represented in many ways, for example through relaxation or religion. Now we enter into the characteristic of health and wellness. Ability to relate and connect with other people in our society and harmony in life. Ability to make a positive impact, the quality of surrounding environment. Ability to share new ideas or thoughts and expression which can be applied to personal decision, group interaction and gathered knowledge skill. Ability to avoid destructive habits will lead to optimal physical wellness. Having personal satisfaction and enrichment for one's work. Having good health by occupying pleasant environments. Then I discuss the relationship between health and wellness. Health and wellness are terms that are often interchanged, but their origin and meanings are different. The maintenance and improvement of health accordingly depend not only on external or environmental but also intelligent lifestyle of the person. Wellness is multidimensional and the state of a healthy lifestyle. Health refers to physical, mental, and social well-being. Wellness aims to enhance well-being. Basically, health and wellness are made for each other, but there have some difference on your screen. Here are provide basic recommended balanced diet chart for man and woman's daily life. At last, we can say a healthy and wellness lifestyle is crucial for everyone. So enjoy your life. I think all of you are understand my today's topic. This is my first presentation in my life, so please forgive me if I did something wrong. Thanking to all of you to cooperate me. Last of all, stay home, stay safe and stay healthy.